Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to increase network receive in Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So the first thing that we need to do is open up our computer search. Here we will search for Roblox Player. Find the application, right-click on it, and then open File Location. Now again, we will right-click on the Roblox Player and open File Location. It will highlight the Roblox Player beta. And here for the last time, we will right-click on it and click on Show More Options, go to Properties. Now we will need to go into Digital Signatures. Find the digital signature here. If you have one highlighted, click on Details. Right here we'll click on View Certificate, and we will click on Install Certificate. Choose the current user, click on Next, and then automatically select the certificate, click on Next. Here, again make sure it is set to automatically and click on Finish. The import was successful. So if you have successfully installed the certificate here for Roblox, then this should increase your network receive. So that's basically how you can increase network receive in Roblox. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.